you're suffering from any hair issues, folks, please listen to me. I know you've tried everything else. I know you want the quick fix. I know you want the pills. I know you want to use the vitamins and the hair products. But there's an underlying cause of your hair issues. The slow growth, the hair loss is acidosis. Your body is highly acidic. So it's literally burning the hair follicles out. Okay? Like as I explained to you before, every cell has two fluids in there, blood and lymph. Blood feeds the cell. Lymph cleans the cell, takes out all the waste of the cell. The waste your cells produce, the 100 trillion cells produce, are acidic. And this acid has to be taken by the lymphatic system, which is the main sewer system of your body, or the main immune system of the body, and it's passed through to the kidneys where it's eliminated. If your kidneys are not filtering properly, if your lymph is getting stagnant or not moving, these acids will begin to burn tissue. They will burn hair follicles, and that's why your hair is not growing, and that's why your hair is falling out. Okay? You want to get your kidneys filtering, and you want your lymphatic system to move, and the only way to do that is to remove the acid-causing foods. The foods are dairy products, animal products, cooked starches. These cause your lymph to get stagnant. These cause your kidneys to filter ineffectively. When you replace all those foods with fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, fruits being the only natural food made for man, then your kidneys and lymphatic system is going to get better, and you're going to remove those acids that are causing the hair to fall. You will also get great skin. You will also get great health. You might lose a few pounds as well. You look great overall. Replace the acid-causing foods with fruits. Next, use a good hair oil. Hair oils are the best of the best. They have been used for over 5,000 years in India and China. This means that they've been tested for 5,000 years, okay? That's longer than actual medical science. And we all know Indian hair is the best in the hair. Hair from Asia is the best of the best. So they must be doing something right. When you use plant extracts on your hair, you're boosting blood flow to the scalp. This nourishes the hair follicles and they grow. You are prolonging the hair growth cycle. This means hair can grow for a longer period of time, and you are stimulating hair follicles to awaken. The very best hair oil you can use is Grow Hair Oil, because it uses all the right plants, 17 of the very best plants, in the right concentrations, in the right doses, and of the right plant species. And you're giving your hair the very best chance it has of growing. You combine that with the fruit, and people, you are going to get beautiful hair. You are going to get beautiful skin, and your health is going to improve because the fruits are going to nourish every single cell. You do not need protein for your hair. Please do not consume protein. Protein will harm you in the long run, will damage your kidneys, will damage your lymphatic system, and your hair will fall out. It's a big myth, but they have it out there. They want you to consume animal products. They want you to buy supplements so you can eat protein, so you can grow hair. It's the reverse. It will damage your hair. It will damage your kidneys. So I hope these points help you. Feel free to share this if it helped you or you think someone else might benefit. I aim to make people healthy, to